Alara lived in the city of Aquamarina, nestled within a giant teardrop. The city sparkled with tiny lights, reflecting off the curved surface of their world. Every day, the residents of Aquamarina tended to their luminous gardens and navigated the crystal waterways. One day, a tremor shook the teardrop, causing panic among the tiny inhabitants. A young explorer named Orion decided to investigate the source of the disturbance. He journeyed to the edge of their world, where the teardrop met the vast unknown. He discovered that a gentle giant was crying, their tears the lifeblood of his world. Understanding that their existence depended on this giant's sorrow, Orion returned to Aquamarina with a heavy heart. The city began to hum with a new understanding. They were a small world, precious and fragile, living within another's emotion. They resolved to cherish every moment, every drop of light and water, knowing their existence was fleeting and magical. They continued their lives, singing songs of gratitude for their unique world inside the tear.